Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the Extrude, Full Round Fillet, and Shell. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. So we will create these lines. And we have the dimensions here. This line here has 120 millimeters. This line here has 20 millimeters. This line here has 16 millimeters of length, and this line here has 20 millimeters. So let's create this. Open the Inventor and go to Sketch, select the right plane, select line. I will make the sketch and put the dimensions later. And go to Dimension. This line here has 120 millimeters. This line here has 20 millimeters. This line here has 20 millimeters. And the distance between these two lines here is 16 millimeters. And now finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this. And we will extrude this 60 millimeters. So go to Extrude. And the direction, select Symmetric, and the distance here, select 60 millimeters, and press OK. We made this body here. And now we will create this fillet in this body. It is a full round fillet. So go to Full Round Fillet, and the A face, the center face, and the B face, and press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this hole. We have a hole here with 20 millimeters of diameter. And this hole is concentric with this arc and through all this body. So go to Sketch and select this face. And here select the circle. Put the mouse here in this arc to find the center. And click here in the center of this arc. Make a circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter. And now finish the sketch. And go to Extrude. And the output is cut. And the distance here selected through all. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will shell this body. And the thickness of this body is 2 millimeters. And we need to remove the top face. So go to Shell. And here we will select the face that we want to remove. Select the top face. And the thickness here is 2 millimeters. And press OK. So that's it. Here we finish your exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.